Hello art lovers, welcome back to our channel Create Art for Life. It's Christmas month, so here I am with the easy acrylic painting tutorial. It's really quick and easy to make, and it's best suited if you're making a greeting card or a postcard that you want to send to your loved ones. So let's get started. To begin with, you'll need some art paper, masking tape, pen, pencil, rounder, acrylic paints, red, green, black and golden, and some medium sized flat and round brushes. So first of all, take your art sheet and secure the borders with the masking tape so that the borders are neat and clean. Now with the help of a rounder, make a fine round. You can also use a round object if you don't have the rounder. Then on the top, make two lines, straight lines. I am doing it freehand. You can use a scale if needed. Then draw a bow. You can draw it roughly. We later on fix it with the paints. And add some leaves to beautify it further. So now that my drawing is done, so we'll move to the painting part. First of all, we'll take red acrylic paint and a round brush. Take some paint in it and paint the inner part of the circle. The best thing about acrylic paints is that we need not be too particular with the paints leaking out. We can rectify it any moment. As soon as they dry, we can do an overlapping layer, so it need not be perfect initially. That's why acrylic paints are recommended if you are a beginner in art. I hope you are enjoying this video so far, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video if you are enjoying it so far. So now I'm giving it an outline to make it fuller. So similarly, I'll take olive green paint and do my leaves, and we can dip it in brush and give it a little shade. So to save us little time, I've already done the rope and the bow with gold, and I'm adding further gold layers to make it shiny and glossy. Once done, I'll quickly give it a black coating so that it stands out. To make your painting stand out, always use a darker background so that it becomes lively. the object really shines out and becomes bright. We'll see once we are done with the background. Now that I'm done with the background, I'll do some finishing touches. So I am taking gold paint again to give the bow and other things a more finer detailing. You can shade the leaves again with the gold paint or do some final touches wherever you feel that needs to be done. You can refine and retouch until you're happy with the outcome. And we are done. It's time for my favorite part, that is removing the masking tape. This is somehow so satisfying. Comment below if you feel the same. And it's ready, the final look. Hope you like it. Thank you.